Hello everyone, Kia ora, namaste. We are here today to learn a color in 3 languages: Hindi, Maori, English. We will learn through the song, then we match the color pencil. Ma is white, Peru is red, Kakariki is green, Pongu is black, Mongu is two, Kofa yellow, Parara brown, Ma is white, Safed in Hindi, Peru is red, Lal in Hindi, Kakariki is green, Hara in Hindi, Pongu is black, Mongu is two, Kala in Hindi, Kofa yellow, Pila in Hindi, Paruri brown, Bhura in Hindi, Kikkarangi is blue, Neela in Hindi, Karaka is orange, Santri in Hindi. Now let's match with the objects, colors. White, Safed is in the body of the teddy bear. Even the face is white too. Peru is red. Lal is the nose of this teddy bear. There. Kikkarangi is green. Hara in the board. Pongu is black. Mongu is two. It's Kala in my pajamas on the couch. My pajamas, or you can match with the couch here. And then Kofa yellow, yellow color fish. It's a big yellow fish. Fish. Paruri is brown. It's in our cushion here. In the cushion. And Kikkorangi blue. Blue is in our happy birthday crown. Kikkarangi orange. Santri is in the tail of fish or in the nose of the fish. Hope you learned the colors today so well. See you next time. Bye for now. Kakiteano.